Check it out, guys. We just finished up these two projects, RZR build and a Canam build. Very nice. We put all these accessories, all this lighting, make this thing light up in the night, have fun on the trails. To connect all these things, we also added this switcher box right here. Makes it very easy to use all your upgrades and add-ons for your RZRs and Canams. This thing's looking sick. This thing's ready to rip the trails, have some fun. Here are the whip lights. We also did this light bar here in the back. This is the RZR right here. Strobe lights. We got the rock lights here under as well. This one got whip lights and a switcher box here to connect everything, make it seamless.